It's free.
What?
Yeah,
there's
it's free.
Yeah, I saw the boards in there and it felt like it was time to come in.
Yeah. There's a lot of spinning going on right there.
Why do you think we tell Stephen?
So what's your parallel park?
Now we're on.
There's time. There's no spinning.
I got the door.
I'll go in the ladies' room. When we going to open that door?
Yeah, prop that.
Anybody in here?
Where you going?
You gotta get his dog.
Stephen. Oh dear God, y'all watch.
He's gonna get what?
He's crying.
What's he doing?
What is?
You need to go get his damn dog.
Who?
That low pressure.
Who dog is it?
Stephen.
That shit. Come on, dude. Oh! Come on.
I'm scared to death.
That gutter's about to go.
It's about to suck those windows out too.
It's gonna suck me with it.
Your ears popping?
Just a little.
Yeah.
Get it?
Don't knock me down when y'all come running in, but I got the door.
Poor guy.
Timmy. Don't worry about them, brother. Come on. Timmy. Come on. Don't worry about them, brother. Come on inside. Is anybody else in there? Timmy, close that. Oh, okay. Come on. Hey, this is lovely. I know. Get the key. Those doors.